Hello everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Again, this is Teacher JM, and today we're going to learn all about adjectives. But first, let me ask you a question. How many parts of speech do you know? That's great! And one of it is adjectives. Adjectives are used to describe a noun. They tell you what kind or how many. When used in writing, adjectives add detail to the text for the reader. Colors and numbers can be used as adjectives when they are describing a noun. Let's look at this example. He has a red hat. Red is the adjective. Let's read the explanation. Red describes the word hat, showing what kind of hat the subject has. Another example, I have 7 eggs. 7 is the adjective. Let's read the explanation. 7 describes the word eggs, showing how many eggs the subject has. Now, it's quiz time. Let's read the directions. Find the adjective in the given sentence. Are you ready? Let's begin. Number 1. The small turtle walked slowly to the pond. What word is the adjective in the sentence? Great job! The answer is small because it describes the turtle. Number 2. Yesterday, the large bird flew over my head. Which word is an adjective? Very good. The answer is large because it describes the bird. Number 3. There are many buses today. Which word is an adjective in the sentence? Awesome! The answer is many because it describes how many buses are there today. Number 4. Leia is a sweet girl. Which word is the adjective in the sentence? Great job! The answer is sweet because it describes Leia. Number 5. The rectangular table is in the living room. Which word is an adjective in the sentence? Awesome! The answer is rectangular because it describes the table. There you go! I hope that you learned a lot about adjectives today.
Thank you for watching. This is Teacher JM, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. You can also support our YouTube channel by clicking like button, sharing this video, and putting a comment for the content that you want us to cover. Again, thank you and see you next video.